Hello, Dr. Phil.
Hello, Dr. Phil.
Here's James K. Polk.
Where is James K. Polk?
Here's James K. Polk. It's John Kennedy.
That's right. Very good, baby.
It's not James K. Polk. It's Joe Hall Weisenhower.
That's right. Very good.
It's not James K. Polk. It's Harry Truman.
It's Harry Truman. Good job, buddy.
What's this? What is that?
Who is that? Is that James K. Polk?
No, what's that? What is that?
I think that is,
Roosevelt.
That's right.
It's not just K. Polk. It's Hoover.
That's not James K. Polk.
It's Hoover.
That's
It's
right.
not Hoover. It's Calvin Coolidge.
Oh, wow. Very good.
What's this?
Calvin Coolidge. It's right.
It's not just K. Polk. It's Warren G. Harding.
Warren G. Harding. Very
It's
good.
Warren G. Harding.
Very good.
What's that?
Who's that?
What's that?
Is that James K. Polk?
No, what's this? What's that?
Who is it?
What is this, President?
I don't know. You'll have to help me.
Well, it's not just K. Polk. It's Lord Howard Taft.
Very good.
What's that?
William Howard Taft.
What's this?
Is that James K. Polk?
What's this? Where's James K. Polk? It's not just K. Polk. It's Roy Kinley.
Very good.
So, James K. Polk is Benjamin Harrison.
Wow. You sure know a lot about your president.
No. Here's Idaho. What's that?
That's right. That's Idaho.
It's not just K. Polk. It's Cooper Cleveland.
Very good. Where's James K. Polk?
What's that? What's this?
Who is that? Is that James K. Polk?
No, what's that? What is that?
Who is it?
What's that? Hey, Arthur.
Chester A. Arthur. That's right, buddy.
Chester A. Arthur.
Very good.
It's not just K. Polk. That's James Garfield.
Wow, that is awesome.
It's not just